Welcome to Check Your Day, the daily podcast with Renča, aka your guide through the jungle called Czech. We spend 5 minutes from Monday to Friday to get better at one topic in Czech. Ahoy! Welcome to the new episode. This podcast is not only about learning Czech, it's also about giving you the tools on your learning journey so that you can do it long term. And today I would like to focus on one thing that is so frequent. And I think almost everybody has to or had to deal with it on their learning journey. What I frequently hear from people, and been there, done that as well, is the sentence, I have no time for Czech. I know that it's crazy busy. I have, if you saw my schedule, I have my students, I post on social media, content for my project and other stuff. I have family, so I totally can relate to that. The thing is, when I hear this sentence, what you are really telling me is, Czech isn't my priority. When you are really honest with yourself, this is what is behind that, the real meaning. And if you realize that and accept it, it's a really good starting point, because when you decide to change it and you decide to work on it, improve it, get better at learning Czech, then you can take steps. And in today's episode, I will share with you what helped me, because I was in a similar situation twice in the past months. And the first major change I had to do was in September 2024, because I had my lessons and it was kind of hard for me to create like this gap every day for my Spanish. And what I did was, okay, it seems kind of busy, what I can do. And what I did was I checked my phone. And what I checked was my screen time. And what I saw was not pleasant, because I realized that I kept procrastinating. Okay, now I have this amount of time, I just need to chill, and yeah, I deserve it. I want to just 5 minutes. And the algorithms are created in a way that they really hook us. So instead of 5 minutes, all of a sudden it was like 30 minutes. When I saw the amount of time I spent on social media, I was like, oh my God, okay, I want to spend my time in a more meaningful way. So how can I do that? And the first step I did was I changed the look of my front page on the phone. What I left there was the calendar and the time. That's it. I moved all the tempting apps to the very back. I actually deleted them. I deleted Facebook. Now I don't have even Instagram, and I download it regularly when I need to post on Check Me with Renča. And I also started using 2 apps. One of them is called UNHOOK. What it does, for example, when you go to YouTube, the only thing you see is black screen, and you have to write what video you want to watch. So you don't have any suggestions, which means you have less temptation. It works really well for me. The second one is the app called 1sec. It works amazingly for Instagram, for example, because what it does, it postpones the time. For example, it takes 20 seconds every single time you click the Instagram app, which is fantastic because it gives you time to think about, do I really want to do that? Do I really want to spend time there? Is it necessary? Or I could spend it in a more meaningful way. So these are my tips and they work really well. I now have more time. I needed that to be able to create this podcast as well. So several months back, I had to decide to change my schedule as well because I needed basically 2 extra hours every day to be able to create this series because daily podcast isn't an easy task. So these apps have helped me a lot. And also another thing that you may find helpful is I decided to get up earlier because I'm fresh in the morning and I have the strength and creativity to work on the episodes for you. So now I wake up at 4:15 to be able to create all these episodes for you. I know it may sound crazy, but I love it. And yeah, it's fantastic. It's been a journey and it's really fulfilling. So these are my tips. Please let me know if you find them helpful. I will really appreciate any kind of feedback from you because it helps me with the creative process, okay? Have a lovely day. Check your screen time. Let me know if you find this episode inspirational at least a little bit and you change your pattern. It will make my day because, we are definitely worth doing meaningful stuff. See you tomorrow with the new episode. Ahoy!